I used the following product, NeuroQuiet, because I'd been struggling with constant ringing in my ears, tinnitus, and occasional brain fog. The noise was distracting and affected my focus, especially during work and at night. I was looking for a natural way to calm it down and support my brain and hearing health. After about 2 weeks of taking NeuroQuiet daily, I noticed the ringing became much less intrusive. My concentration improved, and I felt more mentally balanced. The blend of ingredients, including herbal extracts and brain-supporting nutrients, seemed to work gently but effectively. What impressed me most about NeuroQuiet is that it not only helped reduce the tinnitus, but also supported my mental clarity and calmness. It's been a genuine relief, and I'd recommend it to anyone dealing with similar symptoms. It worked wonders for me.